So this is my baby. It's a 10.8 volt SDS drill, right? So this thing will go through stone, it will go through concrete. It's you've got the choice as usual for ordinary hammers, screwdriver, and the hammer drill option. So it's such a lovely little machine. Anyway, so everything got wet here. This has a really easy release mechanism. You pull that back and seriously just pull the bit out. But this one's got rusted in. Look at that. There's still water in there. These are up in my room. In December, when I realised the shed was leaking, I took a lot of, there's so much rust. But like, they've got that funky gear, so they lock in when you put the cuff on, you know, and let the cuff go. These are ordinary drill bits. See, that's just a normal shaft, so they won't work in each other. So I need this one because my other drills are 18 volts, normal hammer drills, cordless hammer drills, so they're not got much really. This dude will go through stone. It will go through brick. It will go. It's a beauty, and it goes easy because it's light to hold, so you can put a lot of force behind it rather than using a lot of your force to hold the bastard. So anyway, that was inside me, because I'm a fuck muppet, put it in the vise up to there, and it snapped when I pulled the collar back and pulled. The drill bit just went boom. So I put it in the vise then, like up to like there, and it wouldn't come when I pulled the collar back and yanked around like a twit. I sprayed it with some WD-40, and then I went fannying around in the garden for about an hour. Come back and pulled the cuff back, and it just slid out. Man, screaming. Love WD-40, great stuff. Oh, so what I got here, because it was all in the thing rusting away, is this lovely rusting one. I clean that up, grease it up, put it in, and put up Fred's surfboards.